boys, I'm in the bed, hit up the madded one. I just left the airport, went to DR, picked a jacket up. That bitch broke my heart, I took some racks and then I passed it up. I was down bad, I got some cash to turn my status up. Yeah, I got the hookup, Master P, you want it now or later. Pulled up in all different color toys, shit like the Power Rangers. I gave them the game, and then they ran with it. Only time I ran when I got chased by some fan bitches. I'm with the mob, we with the zoo, you know the folks try to spy on us. They the reason for the race, so I'm thinking, why would they lie on us? We just lit and slid, these niggas was screaming, bro, don't die on us. Leave it be dripping.
Order me some hearing aids. Oh my damn, I was intrigued. Can we hear it again? You got out the car. Oh my Come on now. God. My eardrum. Is it a gin? Damn.
The same day I sold it to you, the next day.
I'll start it. Out here last summer, I was going off. I was like, she sent me a screenshot. Of
doing the white hoodie.
I was like, that's an underestimate. We weren't doing the white hoodie.
Wait, can I see your keeper? I don't see what it looks like.
We're not doing anything like deeper.
It's a start. Only got my Nissan key.
SRT? Yeah.
This is crazy right here.
The SRT.
No. Oh, okay. That's all you gotta say. I'm gonna take them.
About to go.
On the mat, Black E. Like they talking about.
He was walking
body.
Oh.
They got the fucking jailbreak.
Ew. God damn.
What is your one? What's happening, my boy? I see you got that thing on you. Oh, that bitch still in the uniform.
David, I was telling Brian how
Y'all filming everything.
starting basketball.
You see the one? That bitch.
No,
Man, what?
The white one that was racing with us? No, with y'all? That bitch was popping. Look, Malik all down here. What you think? They doing it. What you think? I'm hey, 10 out of 10, we'll try again.
So much fat shit, my legs hurt walking, man. God damn.